I will be teaching you electron configuration. The electron configuration is a distribution of electrons of an atom or molecule in atomic or molecular orbitals. There is a basic list of orbitals. There is the s orbital, the d orbital, and the p orbital, and the f orbital. The s orbital contains one single orbital, so it's the s orbital set. The p orbital set contains 3 orbitals. The d orbital set contains 5 orbitals. And the f orbital set contains 7 orbitals. This is the s block. This is the d block. This is the p block. And this is the f block, which has its link through the d block. It is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Except the d block is 1 energy level lower, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the d block is 2 energy levels lower, so it is actually 4 and then 5. Let's start simple and use O, oxygen, as an example. We start on the first level at 1 for the S block. It would be 1s2, then we go down a level, 2s2, then we go across to the P block, and it would be 2p4, because O is the 4th one in the column. Now let's get a little harder and use krypton as an example. So remember, we start the same with 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Remember, we go down an energy level when we get to D, so that would be 3d10. And then finally getting to krypton at going back up an energy level at 4p6. Now let's try bismuth. We know we have to go from 1s2, 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2, then 3p6, then 4s2, then 3d10, then 4p6, then 5s2, then 4d10, and we know we have to go down an energy level, 5p6, 6s2, 5d1, then we take the special connection to the F block, 4f14, and then we finish through the D block, 5D9, then 6P2 at lead, Pb. And the D blocks 5D1 and 5D9 become 5D10 collectively. To follow along, it would have been for Pb 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 here, 3d10 there, 4p6 here, 5s2 there, 4d10 there, down an energy level, now up an energy level, 5p6 there, 6s2 here, 5d1 there for now. Take the connection to 4f14, then finish the D block at 5d9. We finish at 6p2. And the 5d1 and the 5d9 collectively is 5d10. There's also a shortcut to get to bismuth, or to Pb, or to any of these. I'll try the one for Pb. So Pb is closest, well, the one before it, the closest one behind in the noble gas was Xe. So we could put Pb, and then we could put Xe in brackets. Xe in brackets, and then we just finish after that. So that would be, after that would be 6s2, and then it would be 5d10, and then 4p14, and then 6p2 to get to lead. So we just Xe in brackets, 6s2, 5d10, for F14, and then 6p2, and that is the shortcut. So that was how you were supposed to do electron configuration with the long way and the shortcut. Sorry if it was sloppy. I hope this helps. Have a good night.